If you haven't watched the full video yet, you should do that first by clicking the card above or follow the link in the description. This is the behind the scenes video. In this video, I'm going to show you what goes on behind the camera, including how I set up some of the shots, how to edit your shots to be more cinematic, and lots of footage that didn't make the final cut. And you don't need lots of expensive gear to get started. I'm using the Sony a6000 for my main camera and a cheap tripod, an iPhone 7 Plus for time-lapse and slow-mo shots, and a $150 drone, all listed in the description below. Using a tripod is a great way to get clean, stable shots that you can be in. Just frame your shots, hit record, and then run to your mark.
From the other side, I just thought that could be a cool transition between the walking towards and walking away shots.
When it comes to the edit, you can simply trim the start and the ends of the clip. The reality is you're going to be spending lots of time running around and running back to the camera to check the shot that you just got. There are lots of techniques you can use to keep your cinematography interesting, including camera movements like tilt, moving the camera angle up or down, and pan from side to side. You can experiment with perspective, shooting up from a low angle or down from on high. Zooms can help to add dynamics to your shots, which you could also do in post, as well as interesting lighting and playing with focus. Your shot type can be wide and far or close and narrow. In the edit, you can also adjust speed, like time-lapse to show movements. You can get a different feel from the same subject by adjusting height, shooting from low down or at eye level. Finally, you can keep your framing constant but move yourself in a pan, tilt or zoom motion. Keep experimenting and find what works for you and your project. It's time to send the drone up. You can see the drone shots that I used in the final video. Drone shots can be great for those establishing shots, to show a change of location, and give a different perspective of where you are.
Go and walk. As much as you can, you've got a ninja walk. You get the smooth footage ninja walk.
What are you doing?
Swinging.
Climbing up the watchtower, it was amazing to see the view above the canopy and be able to see the scale of the forest. If you don't have a drone, finding a high vantage point is also a great way to add some variety to the shots in your video.
Behind the scenes, the extreme tripod.
She always wants the kissy picture. Spinning, spinning. It's like I'm playing basketball. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
From my new viewpoint, I really wanted to get some more drone footage and get even higher. As you can see, I wanted to do a super cool fly through the watchtower shot, but I doubted my drone flying skills and I bailed out of it. So as I struggled to land my drone in high winds, you can see the final shots I included here: a flyaway, an orbit, and a top-down forest view. Luckily, the watchtower was deserted, as this wouldn't have been a safe place to launch and land the drone.
Buckethead twins.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Buckethead twins. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
On the next day, we had a lot of rain, so we couldn't explore as much as we wanted.
What are we going to eat?
Some fried rice, egg fried rice, and prawn fried rice. A very classic dish to Vietnam.
But after some lunch, we headed out to explore more.
What's the problem?
Mosquito.
No, like slam it down.
Get creative,
You mean like this?
Yeah.
especially if you know the shot that you want to get. On the boat trip part of the video, I lowered the clip volume of the motorboat engine, playing with the focus and slowing the clips down to be more dramatic.
Walk normal speed, yeah. And make to walk past me. Yeah, that was cool.
They're faster.
And it's lucky I was only behind the camera when I was looking like this.
Good luck!
And of course you're going to encounter some challenges along the way,
Good job.
and it's always a good idea to travel light.
Oh no, your bag is going to catch on that. You did it!
Still looking good. My pregnant turtle survives.
There were lots of shots, just like this one, that I really liked, but when it comes to the edit, you have to be brutal. If the shot doesn't fit 100% with the vibe, story, and duration of the video, you have to be brave and cut it.
So, fork in the road, Emma.
Which way? Left or right?
You decide. Let's go this way.
For this forest walkway section of the video, I contrasted some fast-moving time-lapse footage with some slow, smooth cinematic footage of Emma walking, with cuts timed to the music beats.
Emma, what are we having for dinner?
We're having grilled fish and vegetables and rice. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And here's the food. Enjoy.
Ah, such a romantic dinner.
After a lovely, peaceful weekend, it was time to head back to Saigon City on a typical Vietnamese bus. I had a lot of footage to look through and work with, to cut up, edit, and make my video from. Arriving back into the city, we ordered a Grab to take us home, passing through some local Vietnamese markets before we finally made it home. So I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at making a beginner travel video on a budget. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content in the future. Until next time. Click the left video to see my latest upload, or click the right video to see a video YouTube thinks you will like.